You're listening to Weather with Enthusiasm. A guten Chodesh, a guten Rosh Chodesh Shvat. We are holding right now, it's Sunday evening, January 18th. We're in the beginning of a brutal cold week here in Chicago with lots of little systems producing snow. We even have a major storm system that will be developing at the end of this week for portions of the middle parts of the United States, and then another one developing, according to the European computer model, the end of next week, actually even more so the GFS model. First Arctic front moves through the Chicago area around midnight tonight. Snow will develop ahead of the Arctic front. Snow squalls with blowing snow. National Weather Service tells us 15 to 20 to 1 will be the snow to water ratio, producing anywhere from a half an inch, possibly up to 2 inches of snow in spots. Wind will be strong as well, 40-mile-per-hour gusts, reducing visibility to a half a mile at times. Temperatures tonight will be dropping to just a few degrees above zero. Tomorrow we have a bitterly cold day. Some of that snow will continue, some random snow showers in the morning, and temperatures rise into the mid and upper single digits, but that's it. And temperatures drop to near zero tomorrow night. We have a clipper system on the way for the Midwest on Tuesday and Wednesday. Clipper systems are very difficult to forecast in a certain way to get the track right this far out because they go so super fast that there really is no time to figure out the track, but they also are moisture-starved systems. So anything that does fall shouldn't be too significant, although we're dealing with powdery snow, 20 to 1 snow-to-water ratio, likely producing around 1 to 4 inches, probably a little bit north of the Illinois to Wisconsin state line. The Chicago area will likely see a little bit less, but that track still remains to be straightened out as we get closer to the event. Then we have a storm system that develops over in the South Texas, the Western Gulf, for Friday evening, and that's where all eyes are going to be turning to that should that system actually develop. This is a storm system in the Western Gulf. This is known as being the most the heaviest snow totals come from storms like that. This one will be impacting the south central states, places like Arkansas, especially Tennessee eastward. Memphis, Tennessee could be in for a large amount of snow. The GFS model is not in agreement regarding the snow totals, but the storm track, according to the GFS, also seems to bring some heavier snowfall totals to the southern states, like Oklahoma, Arkansas, maybe 3 to 6 inches in the bullseye. But the European computer model has us at a 6 to 12 inch system in the bullseye. In fact, when you move a little bit further east, we get that classic copious amounts of Gulf moisture because it's so far south, and you could see amounts even larger than that. This is for Memphis, Tennessee, and then when you go further east into North Carolina, this is a major system which is deserving of being watched. Following the storm system over the weekend, another shot of bitterly cold Arctic air comes into the Midwest, and then the GFS model sets us up for quite a storm for the end of next week. That's something which is also worth monitoring. That system has it's a panhandle hook, according to the GFS. Panhandle hook, it's a Colorado, comes out of Colorado, then redevelops, intensifies over the Texas panhandle, moves east-northeast. It's impossible to know the track this far out. The GFS does take the track northeast. There's no way to know whether that thing's going to go north of Chicago, south of Chicago, where exactly it's going to go. The European computer model, it's harder to find this storm. But it does look like the next 2 weeks we have some solid winter weather, 2 major storm systems developing potential across the Midwest or South Central states, along with several clipper systems during this period. We also have a few shots of bitterly cold Arctic air for the next couple of weeks. Temperatures will likely drop below zero several times this week, and then again next week. Thank you for listening. I wish everybody a wonderful week. And again, have a wonderful Rosh Chodesh. And those of you that are participating in Shas for Shidduchim, we wish you so much Hatzlacha and have a good Nacht.